So one of the things that you can do in Adobe Media Encoder is add in a name overlay on top of a video as well. So to do that, let me just open up a video first. Let me just add a source, and then I'm going to go ahead and select out this particular video right here. Then I'm going to go ahead and click on the format name, let's say for instance, and then around over here what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around over here onto effects tab right here. So now under here you can go ahead and scroll down, let's say for instance, and then what I can do is add in a text overlay right here. So once I go ahead and do that, you can see that right now the format is source file name. So the source file name will be displayed. You can also choose output file name right here, or you can choose source file name without extension and output file name without extension as well. So whatever you want, you can go ahead and add it in. But let's say I'm going to choose source file name, and then I'm going to add in a prefix called tutor tube right here, just like this. So let's say this is going to be the prefix, and then I'm going to add in channel right here in suffix. I can also go ahead and add in a space right here. So now for the format, I'm going to add in, let's say, prefix and suffix only, so it says TutorTube channel. The position is top center. As you can see, you can go ahead and select left or center or right, as you can see right here, and depending on what you choose, you can see that it actually goes ahead and changes it out. You can even change the offset right here, just like this. As you can see right here, you can go ahead and click and drag it to place it wherever you want right here specifically. You can even go ahead and type in the values right here, just like this, and then it stays in place. So this is what you have, as you can see, and you can even go ahead and change up the size as needed and change around the opacity as needed as well, just like this. So this is what you have, as you can see, and now you can go around over here onto the output name, let's say for instance, and then go ahead and choose where you want to save it. So let's just go ahead and type in output. Let's say for example, press OK, and I'm going to go ahead and press the Start Queue button to go ahead and process it. So now what happens is that you can see that it exports out a video, and if I were to go ahead and double click, you can see the text overlay right here, just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and add in a name overlay to your videos using Adobe Media Encoder. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.